Next to the hotel, I finished my breakfast, 27th today. Next to the hotel is one beauty shop or a health device shop. Then an exhibition about a beauty product. I think I have to visit it. Okay, March 7th, 8th, 9th. Now, you see anywhere here. Okay, these are all health related products. I want to find out what it is. See, I think that is the red light. This is like how the device what we have. Okay, so I want to show my device, but they don't understand English. All of them, if I speak to them, let me see, they have this facial mask. I used to see this in Malaysia, the same brand. Online. Excuse me. Does the owner know English? I want to speak to the. You are the owner.
Speak English.
Oh, very good. What are those devices? I am from India, but we are a distributor for some of the devices from Malaysia.
Okay.
So I want to talk about the device later.
If you want, you can send me a text.
Yeah, give me your card.
Yeah.
Okay. So they have all the masks, they have the device. Can you see the device? Everybody speaks English. I'll give you my card. All these products, what you got?
China.
From China itself? Okay. Oh, what happened? What happened there? Okay. So what I'll do is, what's your name, sir?
Yeah.
No, your name.
Santiago.
Okay, just write it there. This is a red light, huh?
Yeah.
Red light, very good. We have a technology which is very interesting. Maybe you will be the first distributor, huh?
Okay.
Okay, it is purchased widely in USA and all. Huh? I will send the details to you and we will talk again.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. You can have my cards. Okay. This, as soon as I came out, 27th February, I have taken a nice haircut. Okay. You will see all pretty people coming, like they say in the videos. See? All pretty people. Okay. Anywhere you go, in the videos they say. Of course, there will be old people, ugly people also. And I intentionally took in this area. This is the shop I went right now. And this is the hotel I'm staying. It's very nice. Hotel Panorama. You get breakfast also. And very neat it is. And very reasonable. I got it on booking.com. Here if you book it is double. Okay, here if you book it is about $25 per day. Okay, on booking.com it is $14 per day. $14. This is like if you take with reference to India or a Bangalore city, like you are staying in a majestic area. Or if you think in Delhi, you are in somewhere like Parganj, okay, or Karol Bagh, okay, like that area. So there are a lot of beauty products over there. So this is like a very, I wanted to stay here 1 week. Then I'll move to the top of the hills. Okay. But unfortunately, what has given me a big shock is people don't know English. Okay. You conduct a free English class, you'll get there one more health product is there, see? Health technology product. Let me also go inside. So this is another one. Okay. Weather is outstanding. If the weather is bad, you feel disgusted to walk around. But the weather is very, very good. So like this I was missing from last. You know what? She's doing orange. Is it orange? Okay. Papaya. I'm going to the wholesale fruit. That's the avocado, lemon. I took yesterday lemons. Can I see? I went over there, another shop. Anyone speaks English?
Yeah, English.
Oh, very good. I'm happy if I meet English people.
Yeah.
I am from India.
Okay, I know.
Okay. How you know?
Yeah, we face,
Okay.
you eyes,
Okay,
nose.
very good. I deal with a health product, health technology product from Malaysia, which is a Japanese technology with this Switzerland design, everything. I want to send the details to you through an email, okay, and talk to you about it. Maybe you can be one of the main distributors for it. It's a health and a fitness device. People in USA are purchasing the device a lot.
Okay.
Okay, and I want to share that information, and later we can discuss the possibilities. And maybe you get a free trip to Malaysia. You are the owner?
Yeah, I'm from Malaysia. You're from?
No, but I'm from India.
Yeah, I
but the
know.
product is head office is in Malaysia.
Okay.
They have their office in Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Bangkok, and the Philippines. But people from India are going over there to buy the device, and thousands of people from America are buying it. You will see the proof of all that.
Okay.
It's a fantastic health product. In Colombia, it is not there.
Okay.
I want you people to be the main distributor after studying everything.
Okay.
Okay, so can I have your card? I'll give you my
Yeah,
card.
I have a card. This is my card.
Okay. So this one is entry free for this exhibition.
Yeah, for this is the next month.
Yeah.
It's a congress about for the aesthetic, only aesthetic.
Okay, that is what I want to attend. Is it free or you have to pay a ticket?
No, you pay for the tickets.
How much is it online?
In dollar or in
Tell me in pesos.
pesos? 50 pesos. 50 pesos.
50,000.
50,000 pesos.
Okay, that's about $10 only.
Yeah.
Yeah. Around.
$20.
No, 100,000 is $20.
$20. $20.
Okay, okay. So these are all beauty products. Very good. Okay. So let me give you my card. My card, all the details. This is my USA number is there, but I've taken my Colombia number yesterday. I
Okay.
came on 25th night. I'm staying in Hotel Panorama.
Okay.
Okay, so what I'll do is I'll send you the details. Your email ID is also
Yeah,
there.
it's
WhatsApp is there. Just watch the video and then we will talk again.
Okay.
Thank you very much for your time. How much is this facial gun?
This one.
In pesos?
In pesos, 60, 80. 60, 80 in
Oh.
pesos. In dollars, maybe 20, 30.
Okay, $30.
$30, yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. I'll drop in again. Okay. See how I come and do the business. This is Abhinandan. I have not taken bath. I had a heavy breakfast and with what is that? All the standard breakfast of an American. So now you can see like this. This is in main city center area. When I was in a flight, I told you that in my audio, I met like a lady like Sumalata wearing a trouser and a t-shirt and her husband who was like Tarun Ahuja, or you can say that actor in that which movie, Jurassic World, where he says God created man created dinosaurs, something like that. So they were very interested. Okay, unlike no other people, not even an Indian American will talk. For 3.5 hours we were speaking. And there are a lot of universities here. So a lot of this, all this are healthcare product. All this. Is this product, you speak English? No English? Okay. Some people should meet people with English. No, it will be very good for me. You speak English, sir? English?
No.
Okay. I'll come again. Oh, I should bring more of my business card. See, this is without taking a bath from breakfast. Okay, my room, I want to get it changed. I will go in one of the direction. Yesterday I came from there. In between traffic I am going in the road. Everywhere traffic jam. Okay. Here one more medical shop is there. I'll come and meet them later. I'll get my card. See, I bought only 2 cards. Let me go today in this road. This road I'll explore, or the other road at universities and all. But let me explore this road. Next road to my hotel. What is there? So I won't know anything. Yesterday I walked for, and this mobile got discharged, battery got discharged. I did not know, I did not charge fully. I went to nearly 3 malls. Oh, there's nothing in this road, but yet I will walk. This is next to adjacent road of my hotel where I'm staying. You know what? So I'm seeing also, so I'm not talking. Okay. Now I found all my printing place full. That road only full printers. If I want to print anything or make someone join and then make them print. Okay. Anywhere you see there are restaurants, bookshops. First time I club what I do is I walked from yesterday 11 a.m. my first day, today is 27th, 26th. So I walked from very nice house, very nice doors. Okay. This is the institution. And you know what? I met the university students also somewhere here. They don't know English. That was surprising. Okay. Now I have to do some registrations for the business. At the same time, all medical shop I will target. What is this? You speak English? You speak English? You don't know English, but you're telling very nicely. I don't know. What is this? It's a medical field, huh? Health?
I do that.
What is this? Cellular for eyes.
Eyes.
Okay. Let me take this. This is an English one? No.
Not.
Okay. So everything I will explore. While there's a nice computer shop. I came today because yesterday night I walked here at 9 p.m. and everything was getting closed. So I thought, so I will walk like this only and do all the business. I meet people now. Here I'll target both for the $1,100 health device technology for anti-aging, because people here are very health conscious, beauty conscious. Beauty conscious. You'll hear that a lady wants to come out of her house to an opposite shop. The story is she wants to come out for the opposite shop. She will be perfect in her makeup and come. This is what I heard. I'm going to a supermarket now. Early morning in Cheddi. I'm walking. Okay. People are very good. People are not rude. Everyone says that. Even in Miami, because they're mostly South American people, they are very good. Okay, here, see everything I'll explore of all these printing materials. Yesterday I went in the printing area, some 100 printing, offset printings were there. How much is orange? Oh, I don't understand. But anyhow, can you see that mountains there at the top? Very height it is there, that height it is. Okay, that height it is there, you cannot see it. On that, the clouds has been closed. Yesterday I went for hair cutting, I paid 20,000 here, I do not know how much. Restaurant, Dominican restaurant. They know some Indian fellow has come with a camera, mobile camera holding. So, what was I saying? So today is 27th, correct? Yesterday was 26th. I came on 25th night. That today was my last day of visa in USA for the 6 months. Okay, so at 1 o'clock I have to shift my room. I wanted to take a little bigger room, and then I thought, okay, let me take a bigger room. Let me go off. Only thing, people here, even the material, the content material is also not in English. That surprises me. Everywhere at least 50%. You go to Malaysia, you go to Bangkok, okay, Indonesia, everywhere you will see at least 50% will be, English. Yeah, this is a university, I think. I'll go to all these universities later, not immediately. I met the guy who was in the flight, the husband wife. He is assistant in the universities. See, this is a wholesale shop. What is this? Is very small. Only soft drinks they have. I'll go to another supermarket. You know how I walk? I walk as if I am an authority who's come to check their shop. That is the authority in which I will walk into any of the places. They think that someone like their department who have come to check them or something like that. In that kind of voice or authority, I will enter. So, I am only thinking how I have to create one system for both the business, 3 businesses. One, this is one university, I'll come and meet someone later. See, no one knows English. If I talk to someone, they'll never know English. Do students study here in English?
Not speaking English.
No English. Oh. And I'm not well dressed right now, but I'll come later. She told not speak in English. I have to figure out all the public transport, everything. Yesterday, my target was only SIM card and currency. So in USA, for $100, I was getting 350,000 Colombian pesos. I'll stop it right now. Stop the first video for 20 minutes because I can see one more units because I can use it to subtitle. In subtitle software, you cannot use more than 20 minutes. So you know what? See, yesterday I came at 9 o'clock. It was all closed. See, all these are like mandi. Okay. What is this? Potato mandi. Full potatoes. Full wholesale shop. Beer. I have a lot of my friends who enjoy drinking beer. In USA, outside the beer will be $3.50. I used to go to the wholesale Godown warehouse. I used to go. There it used to be, you know what? Less than $1. That is 85 rupees, 80 rupees like that. Where did I reach? I have to hold my mobile tightly because everyone says it's a dangerous place where you are staying. But there are people. Okay, the couple in the flight. The couple in the flight told, "Oh, you don't stay there." They told. Oh, you they put their hand on their head. They told it's a danger place, danger zone. He told. Danger zone. I came to see these pigeons. I will Google map of this whole area. All this is university or what? Maybe universities. Okay. So it's a different world. Just imagine. Okay. Luckily the reception, night reception lady speaks good English. Very beautiful and she speaks very good English. Okay, but the daytime reception does not know English. So now I'll go back, change the room, then take a bath, because in this room hot water is not coming properly. Entered. Here something is there, but let me enter. So what I'll do is, I took yesterday cheese, I ate that only in the night. But no one is telling me what this cheese is made out of. All non-veg here. I'll go out right now. Full non-veg. There may be some other shop. Okay. Oh, full non-veg only. I'll go out. I took yesterday this kind of rotis. See, here they have it. Here it is different. Okay. Eggs are very cheap here compared to, no, nothing is cheaper than India. Understand that? Nothing is more cheaper than India, but nothing is more cheaper than USA. All non-vegetarian. I know I'm going very fast.
Ay, imagínate que
If I walk yesterday from 11 a.m. till 9 p.m. I walked with only some 20 minutes break while I'm sitting to eat. Oh, all this they have here. Okay, bottles. I used to get them in Avenue Road. Okay. Oh, I came in this area. This is like one mandi area. Like our KR market will be, no? But not very big. But there are big places also. Oh, very big places. I found all those things, where to go for wholesale fruits, vegetables. Okay. Here. So I will walk for onion, potato. Potato they grow a lot. I went yesterday to one fruit market. Today I'll go to one supermarket which I saw. Salida means exit. I want to learn now Spanish. If you learn Spanish, I want to buy avocado wholesale, not from here. I found that wholesale market. This is a small supermarket, but I'll go for a bigger one. Okay, this is very small. Anywhere you see like India, like Mumbai or Delhi, this is the one I came. Yesterday I went over there. I purchased cheese. I ate only cheese and their kind of tacos. So this is all near my place where I'm staying, about 10 minutes walk. So these are cut and kept. This may be a reasonable place, so a lot of people are there. I will explain to you about the prices. These people use of the dollar sign only. See, tomato, libra means pound. So 2,450. It's about $50. Sorry, 45 rupees. Half kg tomato, very expensive. Okay, 4,000 Colombian pesos is equal to $1. So 4,000 Colombian pesos is equal to 85 rupees. Now, you know what? Now I'm in a hotel room. Yesterday I took something like this to eat. Okay. Cheese and that. When I shift to an apartment room, and by that time I should find out which is the most reasonable place where you get the best product. No one will ask you. No one will question. In India and all, 20 years ago, they used to question, who are you? Even if you're in Delhi, if you're walking, where have you come from? All this they used to ask. Here, no one will ask. Either in USA or here, or even in Malaysia, or in Indonesia, or even in European countries. Yesterday, a lady was cleaning road. She was a scavenger. You know how she looked? Like one Anyanya Pandey. I was shocked. Anyanya Pandey is more uglier. This lady, this girl, was more beautiful than Anyanya Pandey. Anyanya Pandey or Anyanya Pandey. Like that, or you can say, who is that Bima advertising girl? Who is that? Pooja Hegde. You can compare between Pooja Hegde and she was sweeping here in the night with that dress, with that scavenger dress. Anyhow, I just saw this place. Nothing much. I want to buy. Oh, chocolate is here. And the funny thing is, chocolate is cheaper in America than here. It always happens like that. In Indonesia, you don't get the chocolate. Though they say Indonesia is very famous for chocolate. Anyhow, I'll come and buy all this later, what is required. Chia, collagen. This is coconut. I like dark chocolate. But let me see the that later. Let me walk back right now in the same route. I went like that. I'll walk back like that, the other direction now. Now, if you wonder how I'll meet people, I meet people while going to the meetup and networking events. Okay, there they will know English. Lot of shops. This is like you'd think you're in Karol Bagh. Karol Bagh. Yesterday I took from this shop only. That lady is not there. Okay. And this shop also. So I was shocked to see Pooja Hegde sweeping this street here yesterday night at 9 o'clock. Oh my God, I thought. In India, she would have been a TV artist. Huh? Okay. Now I'm not buying avocado here is because it is little. See the banana. These people, you know what they do? There's a ripe banana. They peel the skin. Cut it like how we cut it chips, not chips, half of 3 pieces they make, and they fry it in oil, a ripe one. So here there are not much people I can talk. So one area, the old area, this is the center part of Medellin. They call it Medellin. Avianca Airlines. I call it Aviancia. They call it Avianca. Yesterday 9 o'clock was the last time I took my leg was about to fall. Went and slept. Probably by 10 o'clock I was already sleeping. 10 o'clock I slept. Then you know what? I deep sleep. Here and all nice park is there, but I want to go to the top. Top in the city center also there are hills. On top of the hills there are residential area, both rich and poor. See, can you see that hills over there? You cannot see on the camera, but on top there are houses. Okay, I'll go back like this. This is little less traffic road. So now I have to slowly put a strategy now. I have to work to get some 3 to 5. This is where they like in USA, sex toys. Sex shop. Okay. A lot of things are there to see. You cannot get it on the beauty of the camera. And a lot of poor people like in America, all drug addicts. Oh, I did not tell you yesterday. I went further of this to a park. Everyone taking drugs. Drugs are openly sold. Okay, they are all powerful drugs. They are taking the husband is putting to the tip of the fingers injection to the wife. They are all like emaciated, very thin. What is she doing there? Well, what is this? You speak English? No English?
So.
Oh, what is this? What are you doing for her? What is this?
For his birthday.
Oh, birthday! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Okay, you are 27th today. Today is 27th February.
Yes.
Feliz cumpleaños.
¿Por qué?
Porque ya está cumpliendo años. Aunque sí, es porque
You're very lucky. You're very.
En uno, pues llévese.
Hello. You're very lucky.
bendiciones.
Can I break one?
Quiere tirar uno. Que si le regalo un huevito al señor.
Explótale un huevillo.
Oh no, my friend, no.
Okay, fine. Okay, you gave it.
Bendiciones.
En la cabeza ya no, porque me duele.
I'll break.
¿Qué quiere? ¿Qué quiere?
Ah, ¿usted quiere?
What is that?
Ay, ¿yo qué? Yo.
You want to break?
Yo.
Okay, break.
Pero en la cabeza no, que ya me duele la
Ya
cabeza.
la idea. Ya, carrita y ya.
Pero mira cómo estoy ya.
Oh,
No, pero
wow.
¡Ah!
That was fantastic. Yesterday here there was a public exercise. I don't know how they got the gym equipment and all.
Tipo, ¿con qué lo limpiamos?
No, recogemos las cáscaras y ya.
Ya. ¿Será que no hay un baño? ¿Un baño?
Un baño.
Recojamos esto. Digo, es que acá no viendo huevo.
Your birthday?
La casa, me cago en la mesa.
Okay, this is in your Spanish language. You read this fully. Okay, you will have a gift, birthday gift. Here you read this. It's in Spanish. This is my USA number. Okay, and my name, my number, my WhatsApp number. Birthday, happy birthday. Okay. So everyone, I won't take the number because you know why? So they won't be business minded, but since I have to, they are reading that card. Okay. So here is some water place. One time to see everything is interesting. Second time for them it will be boring, like how it will be boring for us. Okay, so so the girls celebrating their birthday in the street by breaking the eggs, and one poor fellow came and they gave out the remaining 60 eggs to them. So here you see a lot of, I went over there, one park full, everyone coming with bottles, sitting there, beer bottle, drugs, drug peddler is giving a small packet of white powder. Okay, girls coming and buying it, and they smoke there only, and some are taking injection like in USA. It's very frightening, and they are all very ugly looking. This is the road I walked yesterday night, apart from going to the mall and coming. Someone is calling, Balsundar is calling. I will take the call later. Okay, let me take his call now.